Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore a useful feature in Facebook Lite that allows you to always share your reels directly to your story. This can save time and ensure your content reaches more of your friends and followers effortlessly. First, open the Facebook Lite app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then scroll down until you find the section labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand more options. Tap on Settings to open all available options. After that, locate the Media section and click on it to open the media settings. Then scroll down until you see the option Always Share, Reels to Story. Finally, turn on this feature to automatically share any reel you post directly to your story. From now on, every reel you upload will appear in your story without any extra steps. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel.